What brings you in today?
我嘅仔小明呢兩日唔舒服，佢發燒同埋手同腳有啲紅點。
How high has his fever been?
佢尋日發燒高到大約39度，我哋俾咗佢啲退燒藥，但係一直都唔退。
The fever is typical in hand, foot, and mouth disease. Have you noticed any sores in his mouth?
有，佢話食嘢同飲嘢會痛，我見到佢口入面有啲水泡。
Those blisters are likely oral lesions caused by the virus, which is the most common cause of HFMD. Does he seem to have a sore throat too?
有，佢話喉嚨痛，佢吞嘢好困難。
It's common for children with HFMD to have oral lesions and throat discomfort. Have you noticed any rashes on his body or other unusual symptoms?
除咗手腳有啲紅點，我仲見到佢屁股同埋腹股溝有啲細細嘅皮疹。
That sounds consistent with HFMD. The rash typically starts on the hands and feet and can spread to other areas. Do the spots look like blisters?
係，佢哋好似細細個升起嘅水泡咁，啲水泡好似唔痛，但係擴散緊。
The blisters can appear on various parts of the body, and they often break open, leaving behind scabs. Are the blisters itchy for him?
佢冇提過有痕癢，但佢最近有啲煩躁，尤其係我哋俾佢食嘢嗰陣。
It's common for children to feel irritable due to the discomfort caused by the fever and the mouth sores. Dehydration is a risk in HFMD due to difficulty swallowing. Has he been able to keep any fluids down?
佢飲少少水，我一直叫佢飲多啲水，因為我擔心佢會脫水。
It's important to monitor signs of dehydration, such as dry lips, reduced urination, or lethargy. Has he had any of these symptoms?
佢比正常攰啲，同埋佢今日去廁所嘅次數唔多。
These could be signs of dehydration. I recommend continuing to offer him fluids, even if it's just small amounts. Oral rehydration salts can also help replenish electrolytes.
我會俾佢飲多啲水，有冇食物或者飲品要避開？
It's best to avoid acidic, spicy, or salty foods, as they can irritate the sores in his mouth. Stick to bland, soft foods, like soups or mashed potatoes.
好嘅，我會試下俾佢啲對胃唔刺激嘅食物，有冇藥可以俾佢食，幫佢舒緩口腔嘅痛楚？
You can try using an oral anesthetic gel to numb the sores and make it easier for him to eat. Just apply a small amount to the affected areas.
明白，呢個病大概會持續幾耐？
HFMD usually resolves its own within 7 to 10 days. The fever typically lasts for 2 to 3 days, and the rashes will gradually fade.
多謝醫生，我會繼續留意佢同埋跟住你嘅指示做。